Hello and welcome back to the final part of our Christmas crafting with cats, and today we've got Parsley with us. He's just gracing us with his presents. He wanted to come and examine the Santa Paws Christmas sled we've been working on, so let's just see what he thinks. Is that alright, dude? How's that? Is it big enough for one or two? What do you think? Oh. So anyway, welcome back to the craft room at BBHQ. As you can see, the sled is now red. It took 1.5 cans to spray it. I can't move it for a moment because Parsley's in here, but I painted the skis, the runners black, just using some acrylic, and we're ready really to start pimping our sleigh, if that's even a term. But here it is. It looks kind of cute, doesn't it? I'm pretty happy with how it turns out. I think the B team are really going to enjoy it. Let's have a look at what we've got to decorate it with. Now today I did nip to a local shop because I thought I had white pom-poms and white feather trim, and I didn't. So I went to Boys, my local Boys store. They have a really great haberdashery department upstairs in the one I go to. I managed to find some feather trim, which I think will look pretty cute all around this edge. So I think that's what we're going to do. I have some white felt that I want to line the inside with because it's a bit sterile. It's a bit, you know, it's not what's the word I'm looking for? It's got no comfort factor at the moment. So I'm going to cut out some white felt to line the bottom portion here, and I'm going to make a little maybe a little Santa sack for this area. And I do have a Christmas tree, which I bought from Boys as well. It was, let me see, I think it was £2.49. So maybe we have a Christmas tree on it. I don't know yet. It's a work in progress. So bear with me while I just start to get into the vibe of the decorating, because it's been a couple of weeks since I actually made it, and I've had to wait that long because it wasn't fit to spray outside. It's been too windy. We've had 2 back-to-back storms, and it's been a nightmare outside for where I do my spraying. So I only got it sprayed yesterday. So bear with me while I just have a little think about it all, and we'll regroup in a few moments. I just cut out a piece of felt, and I've used regular PVA glue to paint the bottom here. And I have a nice little piece of square felt, and so we're just going to stick that in the bottom. I don't use hot glue for this because it tends to end up a little bit bumpy, whereas if you do it with the PVA you get a smoother finish. That's what it looks like now, so a little bit nicer on the inside, don't you think? And that'll take a day or so to dry in here because there's no proper heating or anything. You know, I have the door open. It's like probably 7 degrees out there. That's why I've got my body warmer on today. And it'll take about 24 hours to dry, but that's okay because we're not in any rush or anything. And I think we're going to put this on. I was looking at I got this one too. I won't get it near my glue gun. I got this one too. I mean, we might put both on. What do you think? I don't know. It's a tough one. It's a tough one. I mean, we could put both on. We could have a little bit of this, and then this around the top, because I am planning on putting some Christmas lights around it. I don't know if you saw the monster truck. I redecorated it for a little Christmas event a few weeks ago, and I put those battery operated Christmas lights on and they look really cute. So I think actually we might go for both, because you know, I don't think you can't ever have too much. I think the cats will really like the pom-poms. So I'm going to start gluing, I think, the pom-poms first, and then we will regroup momentarily and I will show you how it looks with the pom-poms on. Go. Just get my scissors and cut that little bit off. There we go. And let's have a look at that. Oh, doesn't that look fun now? I did think it looked really boring about 5 minutes ago, but I like that vibe. I'm thinking that we need some across here too. Just across here. How cute is that? Santa Paws Sled is coming to life and getting a bit of a personality. Smashing. Right then, I think that we will put this on next. I'm just going to wrap it round myself, because otherwise with this, I found when working with feathers, it's quite easy to get yourself completely glued up with it. How are we looking? Do you think we need some across the back or not? Or do you think it'll be too much? No, it can never be too much. It can never be enough. So we have this, and I think I'm just going to go and think about things for a little minute and we will regroup. And here we are with the tree. Well, I've put some little reflective stickers on the back. I decided to put the tree, I used a little bit of a kitchen roll, cardboard kitchen roll holder, cut it down and covered it in a little bit of sticky back plastic, and I've made the tree so it doesn't interfere with the seat, and as you can see from the side, so it's all at the back because we need this festiveness. Now I've found a little wooden plaque. I bought these years ago. They were really, really cheap. They cost me like 49p each. And I know it says the Flowery Man pad, but a little bit of a wizardry in Canva, and I can alter that. And I'm thinking that here, I'll just shorten the string obviously, but I'm thinking if I can just lift that up, that, you know, we're going to do a Christmas sign maybe. I don't know whether it'll work or not, maybe yes or no, I'm not quite sure. And the next thing is I also got some fat quarters today from boys, festive, nice, cute, and I'm thinking I'm going to make a little cushion for here out of one, possibly this one, which it's got snowflakes on, it's cute, and then there was a little piece of burlap which needs pressing, and I thought I could use that to make a sack or something for the back. So I'm going to go and press all of this lot and just get on the sewing machine, which is just down there, and see what I can run up, and we will reconvene momentarily. I've just finished making the cushions, one for the little bench here and two little cute little catnip with extra primo catnip in that we grow at home. There's a little cushion, so they've got a little bit of comfort for their furry little bottoms there. And we will continue this tomorrow, as I'm absolutely freezing right now, so I've got to go. I'm just going to show you what I bought at the weekend. I went to my local range store and they had these really little fun things for Christmas in there. So I really like this one because it's all bells, and this one too. So I'm going to decorate the tree with those. And here we are, and it's finished. The Santa Paws Sled is finally finished. And it looks pretty cool. I'm quite happy with it. I put some little headlights on the front here. I'll just turn them on so you can see. That's really cute. On the back, we have the Santa Paws little plaque, and we have the tree with the lights on, which is really lovely. And so there we go. That is your Santa Paws Sled all finished. And I think we have Smooch in here somewhere. Smoochy? Oh, here he is. Here he is. He says, hello everybody. I'm back for the final take of the Santa Paws Sled. And as you can see, he fits in it really well, don't you? So I do hope that you've enjoyed this series of videos of how we made this really fun little Christmas sleigh for cats, or even small dogs for that matter. And if you want to see more, leave me a comment. If not, that's okay too. So have a super Christmas if we don't see you again on video, and we'll see you in the next crafting post. And Smooch says, oh, let's just get him. And Smooch says, bye bye friends, we'll see you soon. Mwah. We've put some little headlights on the front because obviously they need to be able to see their way in the dark. There's some mood lights underneath that change colour, but they're not doing that right now. We've put some little bells on here, and we'll take you around the side and the back because we made a little sack here and put some little prezzies in, and the tree looks really kind of cute. I'm going to turn the lights off so you can see. And here it is in semi-darkness. Now I've turned the lights out, and you can see I've changed the colour of the mood light underneath to obviously red. And the tree looks so adorable. And I'll try not to trip over anything in the dark here. And it looks really cute. I haven't put it on the flashing mode just in case people are sensitive to that kind of thing. So overall, I'm really happy with how it's turned out. So let's go into the house and see where the B team are and see what they think to it. Well, they're just checking it out. Marvin's all ready for Christmas. He's got his little Santa hat on. It's come off a little bit. Do you want to go in? Come on then. Come on, get inside. Oh, well, I think Marvin likes the Christmas tree. Look at that giant floof. Oh, Marvin's already trying to get things off the Christmas tree. Now, I did tie the little bells on very tightly, and these little baubles, so they shouldn't come off. And the little bows, I glued those on.